Hello everyone, welcome to our online art session. I hope everyone completed the previous assignment, did it nicely and beautifully well. So today we are making a new activity, mandala art. Okay, everyone know about the mandala art in a circular design. This mandala art you help to your concentration level and patient works also. So in different way you can present the mandala art. Okay, so today we are learning with the help of this compass how to draw the circles and how to create a designs. Okay, basic and advanced level type. Okay, it's not compulsory to follow as it is designs. If you want to create your own designs you can do it, and for the color combination also you can select your own colors. Okay, so for this assignment which material required? Your normal drawing book, then pencil, eraser, sharpener, long scale, your normal scale for the drawing, and compass rounder also, then black sketch pen, your black gel pen also you can use it, and for the design fill up in use color pencils. This is an option. Normally basically use color sketch pens, then color pens, glitter pens also you can use it, or color pencils. Okay, so let's see how to do it step by step wise. Students, everyone observe this assignment. This is our final assignment of mandala art. Everyone know the mandala art. It is a circular design with the help of the color sketch pen, color pencils, yeah, color pens, watercolors, any mixed media you can use it and create a design of the mandala art. Okay, today we are doing with the color sketch pens, half portion with color sketch pen, half part with black sketch pens. Okay, if you want to do with color pencils you can do it, no problem. Okay, and you can select your own color combination also, and you can change the design part also. It's not compulsory to follow this way only. So let's see how to make it step by step wise. Students, first step, open your drawing book and hold it in your sleeping direction. With the help of the long scale, your normal scale, draw the margin first and take a compass means rounder, and scale is compulsory. Everyone know how to draw the circles. Okay, so first step, take 2 centimeter radius. I am taking this measurement. Okay, and put it in the middle of this page. This is the center. Okay, and draw first 2 centimeter radius. Next, take 4 centimeter measurement. Again put it in the center and draw the 4 centimeter circle. Then take 6 centimeter. Then take 8 centimeter. Then take 10 centimeter. If space is available in your drawing book, you can add 11 centimeter also. Now for this side, first inner circle is 3 centimeter. Semicircle, not full circle. Take 3 centimeter. Put it here in middle and draw first inner semicircle. This side, left side and right side, both sides, students. Here also. Now take 4 centimeter measurement. This way. Okay, this is our middle point. Okay, midpoint, center. So here with the help of the scale, draw the standing line and divide in 2 equal parts this way. Now I am taking a pencil. First step, here draw the design. Both sides are similar, so now I am showing one side. Students, as it is, copy this side also. This way our first circle is complete. Then I am draw the leaf petals this way. Okay, then draw semicircle. Again draw small semicircles. this way and draw. Okay, and for this outer shape you can add small semicircles. This way. Now for this semicircle part, make small circle, curve lines 3. First draw normally these petals and then add it. This way. Okay, now our drawing is completed. Students, same this design you can draw this side also. Now I am started with color sketch pen. First I am taking orange sketch pen. First then take red, This way you can do with black sketch pen also. When you complete your whole assignment, your result will come this way. Same design here, this side with color sketch pen, this side with black sketch pen. So this way our mandala art design is completed. I hope everyone understood this assignment, how to draw the circles and how to create the design with pencil and how to trace with the color sketch pens as well as black sketch pen also. So enjoy your work students, do it nicely and beautifully well. Have a nice day. Bye.